So in this video, we're going to try to create an electromagnet out of a nail and a battery. So what we're first going to do is we're going to take the iron nail and we're going to wrap it around with some insulated wire. So after we're done wrapping, do about 40 times or so, then what we do is we connect the battery to both sides of the wire. Now we see, while it's not a circuit, they don't attract each other. But what we're going to do is we're going to connect the circuit and make an electromagnet. So now, as we put it to the nail, they attract each other. Because we've created a magnet out of this iron nail and made a circuit. So now what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to see if the amount of times we wrap the nail, or how many times we wrap the wire on the nail, if the attractivity of the nail will be dependent on the amount of time. So right now there's 20 rolls, 20 wrappings around the nail. And now when we connect it to the battery, we connect the circuit, now we try to attract it, we see that there is a little bit of magnetivity, but it's not very strong, it's not enough to lift it up. So now we're going to try to see how many wrappings we require to lift up one nail. As we see right now, there are 30 wrappings around the nail. So when we connect the circuit,
What is that?
we see that it's not exactly enough to lift it up. So now we add a little bit more.
Don't touch it if you're not sure.
Try to get the circuit. But right now we have 40 wrappings.
Yo, my fly. I don't think it's available for use right now.
We see the 40 is still not enough wrappings. Oh, we see 40 is exactly the amount of wrappings we need. We see from this that the attractivity of the nail is dependent on the amount of coils we put around it. So when we put around 20 coils, it wasn't enough to lift up the nail. When we doubled it and put 40 wrappings of wire around the nail, we see that that's exactly enough to lift up one nail. We see that's enough traction to do it.
This phenomenon can be explained by Ampere's law. Just as charges create electric fields, currents create magnetic fields. The more coils going around the nail, the stronger the magnetic field that forms due to Ampere's law. It can be seen through the right-hand rule that the force of attraction will be going up, exactly what we saw.